Welcome to the world of high-performance sports cars, where speed, design, and engineering excellence collide. These aren't just cars, they're rolling sculptures and technological marvels, the closest most of us get to piloting a fighter jet on the ground. Today we'll dive into what truly makes a sports car special, beyond just speed and looks. We'll explore legendary brands, iconic models, and the key technologies that set these machines apart. Plus, we'll talk about the driving experience and peek into the future of high-performance sports cars. Buckle up, let's explore the thrilling, fascinating, and sometimes wild world of high-performance sports cars. What is a sports car? It's more than just speed. A true sports car is engineered for agility, precision, and a direct connection between driver and road. It's low, sleek, often rear or all-wheel drive, and built for the pure joy of driving, even if that means sacrificing comfort or practicality. Ultimately, it's a specialized tool for carving up twisty roads and putting a massive smile on your face. High performance starts with the engine, the heart of every sports car. V6, V8s, V10s, and VI12s dominate, each with their own unique sound and power delivery. Take the Ferrari 488 GTB, a twin-turbo V8 with 661 horsepower, launching you from 0-60 in just 3 seconds. Or the Porsche 911 Turbo, a benchmark for everyday supercar performance, hitting 60 in the mid-2-second range. These engines aren't just about numbers, they're engineered for instant response and character, making every drive an event. In a true sports car, the engine is as much about emotion as it is about speed. Simplify then add lightness, the mantra of sports car engineering. Carbon fiber, aluminum, and even titanium are used to shed every unnecessary gram. Lightweight construction means faster acceleration, sharper handling, and better braking. From carbon fiber chassis to titanium exhausts, every detail is scrutinized for weight savings. It's this obsession with lightness that makes these cars feel so alive and responsive. The dramatic shapes of sports cars aren't just for show, they're sculpted by the wind. Every vent, curve, and wing is designed to reduce drag and increase downforce. Downforce pushes the car onto the road, boosting grip and stability at high speeds. Features like splitters, diffusers, and active wings help these cars corner faster and safer. Aerodynamics turn raw power into real-world performance. Power is nothing without control. Sports cars use advanced suspensions, low centers of gravity, and responsive steering to make the car feel like an extension of the driver. Adaptive dampers and mid-engine layouts keep the car planted and agile. The result? Cornering that feels like riding on rails, with confidence to push the limits. Precision handling is what separates a true sports car from just a fast car. Now, let's talk about the legends. Brands like Ferrari, Porsche, and Lamborghini have become icons, each with a unique approach to speed and style. These companies aren't just selling cars, they're selling dreams and decades of racing heritage. We'll also look at American and British brands that have carved out their own niches. Let's meet the names that define the pinnacle of the automotive world. Ferrari, synonymous with passion, racing, and Italian flair. Every Ferrari is infused with Formula One DNA, from its screaming V8s and V12s to its dramatic designs. Iconic models like the 250 GTO and LaFerrari blend beauty, technology, and raw emotion. Ferrari's engines are legendary, delivering explosive power and a soundtrack like no other. To own a Ferrari is to own a piece of motorsport history. Porsche is all about German precision and relentless refinement. The 911 has evolved for over 60 years, perfecting its rear-engine formula for everyday usability and track dominance. Porsche's engineering, like the PDK dual-clutch transmission, sets industry standards. From the Cayman to the 918 Spider, Porsche delivers performance you can use every day. Their motto: there is no substitute, and it's hard to argue with that. Lamborghini is the wild child, bold, loud, and impossible to ignore. Born from rivalry, Lamborghini's sharp designs and scissor doors are instantly recognizable. Massive, naturally aspirated V10s and V12s deliver a thunderous roar and visceral performance. Models like the Countach and Aventador are pure theater on wheels. Driving a Lamborghini is an unforgettable sensory overload. McLaren brings Formula One technology to the street. Every McLaren features a carbon fiber chassis, active aerodynamics, and a twin-turbo V8 for explosive acceleration. Their hydraulic suspension delivers both sharp handling and surprising comfort. Hypercars like the P1 pioneered hybrid performance tech. McLaren is for those who crave cutting-edge engineering above all else. Aston Martin is the epitome of British elegance and power. Known for timeless design and luxury, it's the sports car of choice for grand touring, and for James Bond. Understated yet powerful, models like the Vantage and DBS Superleggera blend comfort with serious performance. Twin-turbo V8s and V12s provide the muscle, while the interiors are pure luxury. And Aston Martin is sophistication with a hidden edge. The Chevrolet Corvette is America's sports car, affordable, powerful, and iconic. The latest C8 model moved the engine to the middle, transforming its balance and performance. With supercar looks and handling, the Corvette delivers world-class thrills at a fraction of the price. Track-focused versions like the Z06 push the limits even further. The Corvette proves you don't need a European badge for supercar excitement. What do all these cars have in common? Powerful engines, lightweight construction, advanced aerodynamics, and precision handling. Dual-clutch transmissions deliver lightning-fast shifts while every component is optimized for performance. It's the harmony of these elements that creates the magic of a true sports car. Horsepower is king in this world. From 500 HP sports cars to 1,500,000 HP hypercars like the Bugatti Chiron, the numbers keep climbing. Acceleration is brutal. 0-60 in under 3 seconds is now common. These engines are marvels of engineering, built to deliver mind-bending speed and survive incredible forces. They represent the ultimate in internal combustion technology. Modern sports cars use active aerodynamics, wings and spoilers that adjust on the fly. At speed, these features deploy to increase downforce or reduce drag, even acting as air brakes. Systems like Lamborghini's ALA can steer the car with air, optimizing grip in corners. Flat underbodies and clever vents channel air for maximum stability. Every surface is designed to manage airflow and boost performance. Adaptive suspensions use magnetic fluids and computers to adjust stiffness in real time. This means comfort on the street, razor-sharp control on the track. Different driving modes let you tailor the car's behavior to your mood or the road. Even bumpy road settings exist for imperfect surfaces. The result, a car that's both a comfortable cruiser and a track weapon. Weight savings go beyond the chassis. Wheels, brakes, and even seats are made lighter. Carbon fiber wheels and carbon ceramic brakes reduce unsprung mass for better handling. Track-focused models ditch sound deadening and heavy features for pure performance. Every gram counts in the pursuit of speed and agility. Add lightness is the mantra that sets true sports cars apart.